Hey beauties, so I went on a little shopping spree, but not for clothes. So these are all the products that I bought within the last week that make Clermoy. Okay, so I went to Sephora. Well, actually I ordered online at Sephora. I spent $501. Hold on, I don't know how much it was about $500, a little bit over $500. And then I did not catch no VIB sale, no spring sale. Because I bought this stuff before the spring sale. The stuff that I bought are reoccurring products, like staples in my beauty routine, except for a few more products. And then I went to the beauty supply store and I spent $160 something at the beauty supply store. So let's get into the products that make Clermoy. So first things first is my skincare. I love body butters. I've been using Josie Maran. This is like my 4th jar of a different Josie Maran body butter. This one is new and I decided to try it out. It is the Josie Maran Argan Apothecary Intensive Daily Repair Body Butter, Eczema Relief with Argan Oil plus Colloidal Oatmeal. Now, I don't have eczema and I really don't have that sensitive body skin. My face is starting to get a little sensitive, but I wanted to get it anyway because I just like thick stuff. So, and this one is really, really thick, y'all. Look at that. It doesn't have a scent whatsoever, which is good for me because I can't take scents all the time. If, as you guys already know, your girl be buying perfumes and can't even wear it. Okay, then I also got, I'm returning this. I got the Bobbi BrownIntensive Serum Foundation. I'm returning it. Like, maybe, I don't know. I want to keep it, but at the same time, I don't feel like it did anything for me. And it's $72. So I don't know if I want to keep a $72 foundation, but I don't really feel like it did anything for me. My foundation that I always use is Lancome. This one I believe is $52. So I don't know. I wanted to try something different. I got the Bobbi Brown one. It's not really doing anything. Then I also got 2 eyebrow pencils. You know what? I am definitely going to return the Auburn color. I got it for Benefit. I got a 4.5 shade and a 2 point something shade. A 4.5 because I already been using it, and a 2 point something shade, but I'm definitely going to return the Auburn color because it's too light. The Auburn color that fits me best is the one by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So it's like a perfect Auburn color. I hope I'm not going too fast. I feel like I'm talking fast. This is like my first time or my second time in my YouTube career that I am doing a haul on things that I bought. But I see the other girls do it, so I was like, let me do it too. Then I also got the Perversion Urban Decay Black Eyeliner. It is the blackest black. It is so creamy. It is so smooth. I love it. I haven't bought it in a long time, but I decided to get it. Something new that I got is the Huda Beauty Contour Cream. I like it. It's cool. It's a lot less product than I thought from what it looks like on the web on Sephora.com. Like, it's only this much. I got the shade Tan, but it's not like you need a whole lot of contour anyway, so whatever. I'm not sure how much I paid for this. Then I also got a new concealer, but I got a concealer in my exact shade of my face, nothing lighter, and the shade that I got is Chai. It is perfect. Like, my skin looks like skin, baby. It is absolutely perfect, and I'm definitely using less I'm sorry, I heard my cats. I'm definitely using less foundation. I want to say, oh, and I also got a eyeliner, the Stila eyeliner that I used today. But it's the Stila eyeliner. It's all black. It's amazing. It's just flawless. It's the Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner. period. Like if you're looking for eyeliner that you can wear without any eyeshadow, without any eye primer, that won't transfer from your lid, from your waterline to your lid, this is it. Like this is the eyeliner that I found that I can wear it without anything else on my eyes, and if I look up, it won't be like over there, it won't give me a cut crease. I want to say that's it, but honestly I don't really know. I also got this, but I got this in my I forgot. And I also got my Donna Caron deodorant. This is the only deodorant I use. I absolutely love it. A client of mine years ago put me onto it. And I love it, y'all. I really want to buy the Donna Caron perfume, the matching perfume, just because I love this cashmere mist scent. But it's like a perfect, oh my god. Y'all gotta try this deodorant. It is so awesome. Now what I don't like is that before the pandemic this was $24. Now it's $30. During the pandemic you couldn't find this anywhere, okay? You could find like the minis on Amazon, but they were selling that for like $48. So when she came back with the deodorant that all of us was looking for, my cats, I'm home alone and my cats are just making mad noise. Yeah, anyways, this deodorant is amazing. I don't smell wearing it. I don't sweat wearing it, but you know, I'm not really a sweater, so I don't know if that helps, but y'all gotta try this. It's so good. It's so good. Ooh, okay, so and then I recently bought this not with this haul, I bought this prior to, but it has quickly become my favorite highlighter. It is the, I can barely read it, the Danessa Myricks. Okay, she's a bomb black makeup artist who has her own beauty line in Sephora. So if y'all looking for a beautiful highlighting palette for dark deep skin, brown skin, baby, try this. You will never ever have to buy another palette. This has so many different colors, y'all. Like, child, my cats, boy. Anyways, I got this MaranIntensive shampoo. Christina uses this for her locks and I use this on my wigs, so I got that. I actually got two even lace bond sprays because they're amazing. Actually I got three, but I got these two for at home, and then I got this for traveling, a little black one for traveling, because I'm actually going to Orlando the end of this month and I need a little travel one. Oh, I forgot to show you, this is also what I bought from Sephora. This is what made my price tag really go up, because I bought a portable blow dryer to travel with. Because a lot of times when I travel and they have a blow dryer in the hotel room, it doesn't have a cold setting, and with lace wigs you need a cold setting. So I wanted a small mini blow dryer and I got this one. It's pretty fly, y'all. It has, I already use it, oh, but it's really good. It has a cold setting, like my blow dryer that I use at the house, which is this one. Whenever it's a cheap pro, Christina bought me this. Whenever I am using the cool setting, I have to continuously press down on this button to keep it cool. Not continuously, continuously I have to hold down the button to keep it cool. But with this one, all I do is press the button one time and it remains cool. And this was $179. So this is why my haul was a little higher. So yeah, that was my big purchase, y'all. And I like it so far. I mean, I can't give it like a good review because I only use it once in the house to make sure it's doing what it's supposed to do. And yeah. Anyways, back to my, I completely forgot about that. I would have been so mad. Anyways, then I also got this hairspray. It's this Sebastian Shaper Plus. When I got a short haircut, the stylist ended up giving me the rest of her hairspray. It was almost finished, but that was so kind of her. It was the black bottle, and I went to the beauty store. She told me you can only get this particular brand in the professional stores for professional hairstylists, but my beauty supply store be having all kinds of stuff behind a glass. So we having all the regular stuff, but then the expensive stuff be behind the glass. Are they trying to say something? But they had this and I had to get it, and the man told me this one was better. Well, he know, but he knew, child. Oh, wait a minute, I didn't even realize. I guess this is just for Christina because I bought a wig, a shampoo for my wigs only, and I got this silicone mix because I have this silicone conditioner that an old friend put me onto, and it makes your wig smell so good. So I guess I got the shampoo this time as well. I didn't know that I got it, but hey, so I guess me and Christina won't be sharing this big old bottle. I'm not sure if I told you all, but I got the Nairobi Mousse. Yeah, I just really like this mousse. It doesn't have an oil smell. For some reason, the other mousses I've been using, it smells like oil to me, like car engine oil to me. No one else thinks so. I am definitely itching my nose. No one else thinks so, but I do. So I got this. I got this one for Christina. This is moisturizing twist and lock. Why? Sorry, I didn't ding my nose. I had an itch, and I feel like if I itch my nose, it shouldn't come across like I'm dinging my nose. It's a itch. Anyways, I got the twist and lock Cantu moisturizer for Christina. This is what we've been using. The other one that I bought for her finished, so I got another one for her. I do her locks. I started it and I maintain them. Then I got the Maximum Hold Styling Snot from Cream of Nature. It's my first time buying this. Everything else that I pretty much have except for this, I use. Oh, and I mean, I guess this is my first time buying it, but I was using it too. So I got this for the first time. I don't know, yeah, I just got it. I didn't want to use like got to be glue and stuff like that for my edges when I slick them back to put the wig cap on. So I just got this. I figured Cream of Nature, you gotta have some healthy, I don't know, I just got it. Makes no sense. Oh, then I got Wild Growth. I love using this. I also got what's this called, the Pure Castle soap, which I'm gonna use to wash my brushes. I used to buy the big one and wash my body, but child, that was like the smell was really strong. I just ain't like it. So, but I do know that it cleans, baby. So you know, I got it. I also got some hydrating leave-in conditioner because my hair can tend to be dry. If you guys remember this video where I had shaved my hair and you could see all of my scalp and stuff like that, the dead skin on my scalp, baby, it's healed. I no longer have that problem. And I use this shampoo and conditioner from Sally's. I'll do a video on that because that deserves its own video. Anyway, so this is the hydrating leave-in conditioner. This is my first time buying it. It's from Carol's Daughter. And then this Shine Enhancement Hairspray is also from Carol's Daughter. It's their black vanilla line for moisture and shine. And I got this one for Christina and I, which is the leave-in conditioner. But then the shine is for Christina, her locks. So after I finish doing her hair, we can spray some shine in it, you know. And throughout the week, when her hair is in double I hope I have not been looking at myself this whole time. That's ghetto. Sorry, yeah, I haven't talked to the camera in so long. I really hope I have not been just staring at myself because I feel really pretty, so now I'm just staring at myself. Anyways, I also got 3 pairs of lashes. I'm wearing one of them, and this one is for when I go to Orlando, and then this one is for my video. So I got 3 pairs of lashes, and that's it, y'all. These are the lashes I got from LA Flare NY Mink. So these are all the products your girl needs to be clairvoyant, okay? It is expensive to be clairvoyant. Someone's at my door. Am I gonna answer it? No. It is expensive to be clairvoyant, okay? But at least I do my own hair, my own nails, my own makeup. Matter of fact, I just did my own nails. And I also got this bracelet right here. It's so beautiful, this one. It's so beautiful. I'm going to be doing a a jewelry haul, a costume jewelry haul. Even though my costume jewelry is more expensive, but it's still considered costume jewelry. I'm gonna do a haul on that soon, very soon. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I've been pushing out a lot of hair videos, but that's where the money at. Hey, that's where the money at. Hey, but I need to work on my channel. You know, it's hard, especially for as long as I've been doing it. I feel like I should have been so much further in my career, but it's coming. And that's on what? Period. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this haul. I hope I wasn't talking too fast, because I feel like I was talking fast because I'm hungry. And I will see you all next time. Bye. Subscribe, turn your post notifications, leave some comments, all that good stuff. Bye.
I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make her better.